Hey Divi Nation, thanks for joining us for our next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we are giving away a brand new Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new bar layout pack that I think you're going to love. This layout pack is complete with all the necessities for marketing a bar online. The design is sleek and includes beautiful framing elements to make the custom photos really stand out. And the pack can easily be used to promote classes, book tables, and showcase events. Plus, the pack includes dedicated pages for showcasing menus and events. So go ahead and check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new layout pack on your own website. Now before you can start adding pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. Then go ahead and select the Updates tab. There, enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Now you should have access to all of our pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder without any problems. After that, you're ready to start creating all of your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To get started, go over to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a name, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Then select Choose a Pre-made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the new Bar Layout Pack and select it. You'll see all of the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Select the one that you want and then click to use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And you'll want to continue this same process to create all of your pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts. And once you're done, you're ready to create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus, and give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. Over here on the left, you'll see a list of all of the different pages you created. Go ahead and select all of them and then add them to your menu. Under your menu structure area, you can organize the menu items however you like. Then, under Display Location, make sure and select Primary Menu and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website, which you can do by going to Settings, Reading. And then for your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, go ahead and select the home page that corresponds to your homepage pre-made layout. Then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new bar layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.